Yo, people! Hello and good morning from Jimbo, here in the heart of Bradford. Nice to see you. Got some news for you, right? I met this bird in Seacroft in Leeds, right? She's a proper slapper, right? She's been with every single bloke on estate that's single, she says, and some married men. So she's well experienced, right? She's proper tidy as well, and really nice, but like she just can't stop getting off with blokes. Anyway, I had a few drinks with her and she got totally smashed, right? And I took her home to her spot, and now me and her are in love. So I'm going to get engaged to her. She's well experienced. She did all sorts of stuff that I didn't know, right? And then this morning when we got up, she was like, you don't look like you did last night when I had a few drinks. And I'm like, it's all right, love. I'll go get a wash. And so I've come home to get a wash, and then I'm going to go back this afternoon. Proper going to have a right do with you. Nice one.
Shopping at TK Maxx, hanging with whites and blacks, hiding in Santa's sacks, stopping fit birds in the tracks. I don't listen to any dubs, don't think the rap's any good. Blue is the colour of bud, there's only one thing that you need to know though.